In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the most undervalued cryptocurrency and how you are supposed to be taking advantage of what is going to be happening in the next few days. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be talking about Zilliqa, and we are going to be talking about one of the biggest buying opportunities there is going to be as far as this undervalued cryptocurrency is concerned. Now, a lot of you have been searching for such opportunities and you just want those cryptocurrencies that are really going to make you extremely rich by basically giving you a very good return on investment. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been doing quite a lot of research, and yes, Zilliqa is one of those, and this coin is about to explode, especially in the next coming few months. But anyhow, I'm not really going to talk about that because mostly I just want to focus on the next buying opportunity, which is about to happen in the next coming 2 to 5 days. Like, this is going to be the last opportunity for a lot of people to buy Zilliqa, aka Zil, at extremely low undervalued levels. And once these levels pass by, you guys are not never ever going to have this opportunity again. So I want you to listen to this video, have a game plan, and then make your moves, because once you miss this buying opportunity, this dip, this little price correction, there isn't going to be another opportunity. Once it surpasses this particular phase, it's never ever going back. And ladies and gentlemen, I have been tracking Zil for the past year, and I've been actively talking about Zil for the past 9 months or so. So I know all the patterns, like I know everything about this particular cryptocurrency, and this is one of the reasons why I just want to give you a heads up. So please do not really get bothered. Do not get bothered about 9.8% downturn today, which is obviously, very frustrating to a few people out there. But to people like me, this is an exciting opportunity to accumulate and add to my bag. And moreover, you guys already know that I am a day trader and I do trade cryptocurrencies, and Zilliqa is actually one of those bags that I'm trading. And just like I told you, right, we had a very good selling opportunity right over here around 0.036, like slightly above half of 3 cents. Like this was a very good selling opportunity. And just like I told you in my previous videos, right, I told you we are coming to some overbought type of market situations whereby we are kind of needing to retrace a little bit and just range at the bottom and then continue our upwards journey. So this is very natural, this is very normal. As a matter of fact, we need the prices to slightly reduce a little bit in order for us to continue pushing towards the upside. And one good thing about this is it's obviously going to be like a very good buying opportunity. So last time I told you that on the daily, especially with regards to Bitcoin, because everything is interconnected to BTC. And last time I did mention that BTC has got a very high probability of going back towards the low of this particular range. So we're about to retest 16,000. Now, right now, the current price is 18,789. So if you take a look at the previous videos that I did, right, watch this video by Zilliqa about 3 days ago and 4 days ago, I did warn you, I did tell you that the price of Bitcoin was going to come back down to test this particular range. So if you guys did watch these 2 last videos, right, you would have obviously sold your BTC at a very high price, 19,200 and 19,562. So right now you should be in profits because one, you obviously shorted the market or you sold into stable coins. So all you got to do is just wait for the correction to happen as far as Bitcoin is concerned and let the price go to the bottom of the range, and then based on oversold market situations, then you can obviously get to like buy back in and just basically trade these fluctuations until we come to the upward consolidation of this particular range and then just break out towards the upside. So that is obviously going to be like a very good trading opportunity. So everything is just playing according to our expectations. We're not really getting caught off guard. We're not like, oh my god, what's happening? What is obviously happening? Is the price of Zilliqa or BTC going to just go back to zero? Guys, we anticipated these moves. We've been waiting for these moves and we are prepared. So right now, according to Zilliqa, right, on the daily, right? But first of all, let me just take you back to the weekly, because it is very important for you to have like a broader perspective. Because if you take a look at the weekly, right, I have been telling you this, the weekly is very bullish because the weekly MACD had a bullish crossover right over here. This is a bullish crossover. So according to history, whenever this happens, there is an explosive move. 3x and above returns are expected. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why, even though we are having corrections on the smaller time frames such as the weekly and the 4 hourly, right, it doesn't really matter. Eventually we are in a blatant uptrend. Even though we might correct for the next 2 days or just, you know, a little bit more, it doesn't really matter. And worst case scenario for Zilliqa, this is obviously going to be my ultimate buying area right around this threshold, this particular threshold, right? Yeah, let me just zoom that so that you guys can actually get to properly see it. So if the price of Zilliqa is going to come back down to this particular low level, right, $0.027 all the way down to around 0.025, this is obviously like worst case scenario. So the price might just like wick and then just bounce back and go back to the 3-cent level. Okay, so this is going to be like a very, very fast wick. You know, it's just going to be bought back heavily because there's a lot of people who are willing to buy Zilliqa, ZIL. Okay, so if you just want to like you know, scoop up a few cheaper ZILs, right, you can just like place some buy orders like around 0.025 or 0.02783. So any place which is going to be close to the 20 simple moving average, I'm sure you guys are going to like be very, very lucky to scoop up these prices, because once this particular dip is done, right, we are off to the moon. We are going to be going to 10 cents. 10 cents is going to be coming before February 2021. So like in the next month, we are going to have explosive price discovery as far as Zilliqa is concerned. We are literally going to do like a 3x. I kid you not. Okay, mark this in your calendar. So what I'm trying to say is we're going to have like another last opportunity to buy ZIL extremely cheap. Okay, of course, the main strategy right now is buying the dips and accumulating for the next bull run. Okay, and this is going to happen like very quick, and it's going to be very fast. It's just going to drop and then just continue going back above 3 cents and then just consolidating above the 3-cent level, because this is a very crucial support level. Because just like I explained to you last time, right, we obviously spent weeks and you know, days and months of just trying to get above this particular threshold right over here. So we are obviously going to have like a very tough time going below it, because there has been like a lot of price discovery, a lot of you know, price action, and the bears eventually lost out this battle right over here. So obviously the price is going to most likely stay above 3 cents. If or in case it drops below 3 cents, that is going to be like a very good buying opportunity. One of the rarest occasions for the next bull market thus far. So you have to take advantage of what is going to be happening. So today's price drop is literally nothing. 9%, 9 point is like literally nothing. So worst case scenario, the price might drop again by another 10 to 15%, and that is going to be it. That's going to be it for this bear market cycle. From now on, it's just going to be higher highs after higher highs, and you guys are just going to be like really mind blown by how far these prices are going to be, you know, skyrocketing. So more of the story is the markets are going to be generous with us. Again, they're going to give us another last buying opportunity, and anything below 3 cents, anything close to around half of 2 cents. Well, 2 cents and a half. 2 cents and a half. This is what I meant to say. That particular price level is something that you're supposed to be very, very excited about, unless something weird happens in the market, unless we have like a black swan event where the stock markets and just the whole world just trembles and just breaks down. Then that is obviously going to be very terrible. But so long as the markets stay healthy, there are going to be like healthy corrections, and these prices are just going to be to die for. Trust me on this one. So anyhow, I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Please check out my previous videos because I've been killing these technical analysis type of scenarios, and sometimes I do take a few days here and there, but my information just stays valid as well. And I really hope that you got some new information from this one as well. So anyhow, be patient, scoop up those low prices. Anything below 3 cents, you're good to go. You're going to make a lot of money eventually and in the long run. So yeah, talk to you a little bit later. Bye.